Why should you service at Uftring Weston Chevrolet? Hi, I'm Brad Montgomery, General Manager of Uftring Weston in Peoria. When you buy a new Chevrolet from us, it's only the beginning. Your new Chevrolet is an investment, and our factory-trained technicians will help you protect it for many years to come. Every time you visit us for service, you'll receive a complimentary multi-point inspection, including vehicle alignment and tire tread depth report. And if your Chevrolet needs more than routine maintenance, we provide recommendations for good, better, best parts to keep your Chevrolet running like new. Our pricing is competitive with any local or national repair facility, and every 6th oil change is absolutely free. And as our way of saying thanks, we'll wash and vacuum your vehicle after every service visit. Enjoy a comfortable lounge with snacks, drinks, and a friendly hostess, courtesy shuttle transportation, and late model loaner vehicles for overnight service visits. Plus, the best parts team in Central Illinois and a full service body shop on site. Schedule your next appointment at uftringweston.com or just give us a call. We look forward to serving you.